So in this video we are going to see about the power supply board repair in this monitor. As you can see, there is no indication. Whenever you are looking for SMPS repair, you should see visually first, because there will be some broken components or blown fuses or something. And here I am seeing top switch was broken and nothing else. So I'm going to do replace this thing first, this top switch. We don't know what is the value of that top switch, but I hope there's a chances of 242 to 250 top switch. Let's see it. So here I'm choosing 246 top switch. I don't know whether it will work or not, but let's hope. And I'm going to replace here by desoldering it. And I did see nothing. Fuse is fine, NTC is fine, and almost everything is fine. So let's remove the component and see what happened. Now I replace the top switch and we'll put the board in machine and check what is going to happen. This is 246, and once again I'm checking. Nothing much, and everything is fine, I guess. Let's see. Now I'm connected the board into the machine and we'll see what is happening. As you can see, there's a blink. That means some components is shorted to the ground or not working. And I finally found the problem with this double diode and the photodiode. This is the double diode and this one is photodiode, and I changed both of it, and now I'm hope it will work. Let me check it. Let's switch it on. As you can see, the monitor is switching on but display is not coming. That means backlight is not working. So in this type they are using CFFL bulb with the LCD inverter, and this is a display, and there's a CFFL on top. Let's remove it. Remove every screws, and you can see you can actually remove the CFFL from the display. The CFFL is located here. On top you can see the wire connections, and you can just unscrew it and remove the CFFL. See? Like this you should remove, and you can see the CFFL here, and both are not working. So what I'm going to do is just change this CFFL into LED using LED strips, and I have LED strips here. I'm going to use it for the conversion. What you have to do is just remove that frame on top and put the LED strip into it, and then put the 12 volt into the input. Here you can see the final output is here, and you should give 12 volts here, then you're done. Now I'm giving the line 12 volt. Now switch it on and see what's going to happen. See, now it's working. So we successfully converted the LCD to LED. I mean, the display is still LCD, but the backlight is not CFFL. We are using LED now, and it's working fine, I guess. Yes, it is. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos. See you with another video. Thank you so much.